Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my 10-minute everyday makeup routine. So this routine is extremely natural, very skin-like as you can see, and yeah, we'll just get right into it. So starting off with my bare face, I am going to use a sunscreen, a moisturizer, and kind of like a primer in one. So this is the Wishcare Invisible Gel Sunscreen. It's extremely hydrating, moisturizing, and it has SPF 50 in it as well. And I really have been loving to apply this every single day. As I have dry skin, I do want something that is quite moisturizing. So that is why I am using this in today's look. So after my skin is moisturized, as you can see, the sun comes in and out, so the lighting kind of changes a bit. Anyway, so after that I'm going with this Sugar Pop BB cream, and it also is a BB cream that has SPF in it. It has SPF 30. Anyway, I'm using the shade 02 Buff. And this BB cream is extremely natural on the skin. It's super lightweight, something that you can use on a day-to-day basis as well. You can honestly use your fingers to blend this BB cream out, but I will be using a beauty sponge, a beauty blender. Yeah, so I'm just blending this into my skin. As you can see, this looks super natural, and it doesn't even look like I'm wearing any makeup. It just evens out the skin a little bit. Also, I have like the most huge pimple on my face right now. Anyway, this is how my skin looks up close. And after that, I'm going to take this Pack Take Cover concealer, and this concealer is something that I love to use on a day-to-day basis, and I was using this constantly, so I decided to use in today's video as well. I know I have talked about this concealer several times on my channel, so I'm not going to go too much into it, but this is one of my favorite concealers and something that I like to use whenever I just want a little bit of dewiness, but at the same time I don't want much coverage. So yeah, this is how the concealer sits on my eyes. After using the concealer, it is time to set my makeup. So I'm going to use the Kiro Botanico. This is the Timeless Matte Compact, and it is formulated with Maracuja oil plus goji seed oil. It is one of the best compact powders that I have used. This not only sets your makeup but also makes it transfer proof. So I'm taking a big fluffy brush and just patting the powder lightly into my skin. You can use a beauty blender and tap this powder for more coverage if you like that. This can be used in so many different ways. You can use this just to lightly dust it all over your face, just to set your makeup. As you can see, my makeup definitely looks very soft matte and very natural as well. And after that, I'm going to use this Nykaa. This is actually powder, but I like to use this as a bronzer. So this is the shade 08, and as you can see, this gives a very nice soft matte, like soft bronzer effect on the skin, and it looks very nice and neutral at the same time. So after applying the bronzer, I am actually going to go in with a blush, and I'm going to use the Cuffs and Lashes. This is the cream blush, and this is in the shade Let's Go Tinting. Now this shade is extremely pretty, and you can use this on a day-to-day basis as well, because the shade has very nice soft nude effect. It's like nude, but at the same time it has a little bit of that pink undertone to it. It really looks beautiful on the cheeks, just adds a flush of color, and that's it. And also, yes, it looks super natural at the same time. So after the blush, I am just going to do my eyebrows. I am actually not going to use any additional products, just brushing up my eyebrows, and then we'll go into the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to take the Back to Basics Mars palette and taking this transition shade and blending it out on my crease and on my outer corners. I'm mainly focusing this on my outer corners because I do want that depth and definition. So I'm just placing the transition on my outer corners, and this brown shade is so beautiful because it gives the most natural, soft effect on the eyes, but it's not too much. Also, it melts in so nicely with the blush. Anyway, I'm taking this transition shade, which is actually a white beige shade, and I am putting this in the inner corners of my eyes just to open my eyes a little bit, and then just going in with the same brown shade and blending everything out nicely. Then I'm taking this Kiro high definition. This is a kajal. This is the high definition soothing eyeliner pencil that is formulated with vitamin E and argan oil, and this shade is a very beautiful. Also, these eye pencils are extremely creamy. They glide on really nicely, and also they are smudge proof. So once this sets, it's not going to transfer at all, and you can use this on a day-to-day basis, because at the end of the day this is not going anywhere. It's not going to smudge at all, and you do get a little bit of time to blend this out really nicely, and then it sets. After that, I'm taking this Kiro mascara, and you guys know I love this mascara. I have been using this mascara for several months now, and I honestly love it. It is formulated with avocado oil as well. It is a Supershield mascara, and I'll show you guys the difference, how it looks on one eye. You can see it gives nice definition, it gives length as well. At the same time, it has good properties in it, which is going to just strengthen your eyelashes. So this is how the mascara looks like. After that, I'm taking this Kiro. This is the lip combo that I have been using. This is the matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Ladybird Red. And I am going to use another lipstick from Kiro, which is the Dusky Peach, and both this combination is beautiful and it looks really stunning. I love both these liquid lipsticks. They are transfer proof, at the same time waterproof as well. So you can just go about your day and you do not have to worry about reapplying these lipsticks, because they stay on your lips for a really long time, but at the same time they're super comfortable as well. So this is how my makeup turned out. I really love this makeup look. It's very soft, natural, something that you can do on a day-to-day basis, and this actually looks really nice whenever you are just going out, you know, for maybe office, college, and your skin looks super healthy, and also it does not look cakey at all. So it's very important that you keep your makeup extremely light, especially during this hot, humid days. And thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye.